Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 330e M Sport eDrive. Presented in black sapphire metallic, the vehicle does also feature a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, as well as a set of brand new 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels, as well as 4 brand new tyres. Being an eDrive model does of course include a wonderful 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine up front, and then both the capacities for electric charging on board, as well as the external charging and the electric motor as well, so we can run on pure electric as well as combined. Doing so will give you just shy of 250 rated horsepower. Charging is very simple, simply plug in there. From a full charge you can expect anywhere of 27 to 30 miles of pure electric range. From stone dead empty on the batteries, BMW claim a charge time of around about 3 to 4 hours. We've got full black Dakota leather, drivers and passengers electric lumbar options, a 7-speed sports automatic gearbox which is unique for the 330e F33, such as this one. Sun protection glazing on the rear windows, still yet a spacious Isofix 3-seat rear bench in the rear and a central folding armrest, and of course the darkened M Sport headlining. Moving round to the back again, showing you off these fantastic alloys. At the back we've opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and then the matching rear diffuser. Opening up the boot, you'll be able to see we do have the BMW charging cable with this vehicle, which is just stored in its little bag on the left hand side. There is only a slight bit of compromise, having to lose a little bit of boot depth, thanks to of course both the battery pack and electric motor which are stored towards the rear of the vehicle. Round at the other side you can see it's a very clean and tidy example of a fine eDrive plug-in electric vehicle. And we'll hop on board and just walk you through a couple of this vehicle's unique features, and of course just some of the standard ones. We do have BMW's business navigation and media screen on board, so you can see when you enter the car you can of course set your charge time, so that is when the charge will activate. Alongside that we do have 3 independent eDrive modes. The first one is obviously automatic. This is where the system will control that itself, so the engine will talk to the drive chain computer and determine what mode is needed, i.e. electric or petrol or combined. We do then have Max E mode, which is of course where it will just run on all electric till all of the electric charge has been used. Or then there is Save mode, which is a really great useful tool, so you can simply run on pure petrol right up until the moment you deem it useful to switch over to the electric or combined mode, such as a time that you feel necessary or even a good time to do so, such as coming into a city centre or town. It's covered just over 67,000 miles, does come with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on a multifunction M Sport steering wheel. In terms of the vehicle's service history, it does have full BMW service history, and the next service is not due for 9,000 miles time. And as you can see there, we've also got full BMW all the way up to 65,000 miles. We've also got DAB, as well as a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including the USB, AUX and Bluetooth inputs as well for all of your multimedia needs, making this an absolute ideal start for your plug-in hybrid experience, or one that you will certainly enjoy, that I am sure of, having driven many of these vehicles, and including a full walk around review of one which is a bit more in depth, so that's what you feel you would like to hear, and I'll leave a link for that down below in the description, as well as all of the relevant contact information such as website links. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around. I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful, and we hope to see yourselves very soon. Take care, bye bye.